Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana. Today was day 9 of our master bath renovation. We had a few things accomplished today. It was a bit of a slow day, but I will show you what did get done. So starting on the same side of the room I always start on, nothing happened with the closets. We didn't have the electrician here today, so no electrical was done, but we did get a little bit of framing work done. So let's take a look over here. So in the shower, the niche areas of the shower were framed out, and those spaces are a little bit bigger than the actual niches to allow for some movement so that we can see where we actually want to place them. They're just kind of a general frame, and then later on we'll decide on the positioning. And then down here was a big change today. The little baseboard heater, the radiator heat, that was removed. And now that radiator that's looping around is actually going underneath this wooden piece, and it's looping around over here to our little radiator that is by the window, which is actually staying. So that was accomplished, and I think that's about it today. There was a lot of stuff going on, but it's so subtle. I wish there was more to show you, but we won't have any framing done today or tomorrow. And so next week, more framing, we'll continue more plumbing work. I'm not sure when the electrician's coming back. He may be here tomorrow. He may be here early next week. We're still looking at inspections next week. So it'll be a little bit of slow going for a while, but then we'll really pick up the pace. So I am not sure if I will have a video for you tomorrow, but if I have anything new to show, I will. And if not, I will see you on Monday. But before I go, I just wanted to give you a quick little look at my neighbor's Halloween display. It is quite spectacular. So I'm going to turn off the light and head to the window so I can show you. Whoops, that's not the right light. Well, let me go over here and turn off this light. All right. Now let's hope I don't trip here. Getting over to the window. Oh, look at what the display is. Maybe it's hard to see. It is pouring out rain tonight. You can probably see the reflections, but my neighbor has the most fantastic Halloween display, which means I don't have to do anything because no one's gonna look at my house anyway. But anyway, I just love it. It's so cool. All right, I will see you maybe tomorrow or early next week. Take care, everyone. Bye.